Whether it's an addition to one of our Top Gun experiences or one of our high-energy keynotes.
Or just as a standalone program.
Our Flawless Leadership Program is designed to equip leaders, whether they're from the front line or the executive suite, with the mindset and the skills to lead not just people, but to effectively lead outcomes.
Whether it's a small, intimate leadership team or thousands of sales reps at an offsite conference.
Afterburner's Workshops ensures that flawless execution isn't just the flavor of the month.
I thought they were great at really highlighting how we interact and engage as a team, and also highlighted how we need to have a more defined process.
Even the best leaders, it's so critical that they pay attention to that, and that more than paying attention, they implement it even when they're busy.
Leading in today's world is more complex than it's ever been before. From remote teams to engagement to purpose-driven organizations. Not to mention trying to manage a world that's twice as fast as it was only a few years ago.
Our Flawless Leadership Program is designed to allow your leaders to lead real teams to work in your environment, while we create 3 action plans that deliver critical outcomes in 14 days and 3 strategic outcomes to deliver within 3 months.
Flawless leadership isn't about the individual, it's about creating a peer group.
A peer group that's supportive, but also holds us accountable.
Flawless leadership, the type of leadership you need to accelerate your journey to achieve the most audacious business goals.
My team enjoyed it very much. They were all inspired. They understand how we need to move our business forward.
We've had a great couple of days with the Afterburner team. I think it was really important for us to bring in an outside voice to help us grow.
This is the best experience I've ever had with an outside group coming in to give us really practical lessons on how we can perform better as a business and as a team.